The earthen dams may fail like other engineering structures like gravity dam, arch dam. So due to improper design of the dam may get fail, or uh, due to faulty construction, or if the design of the dam is not proper, so there may be chances of failure of the earthen dam. Lack of maintenance, if maintenance is not done properly. So there are different reasons that may cause failure of the earthen dam. So in the second unit, we have seen different causes of failure. So, we have designed a gravity dam. We have analyzed the stability of the gravity dam to avoid failure of the dam. In that, we have seen the dam may get failed by overturning, by sliding, by tension failure, by crushing. These are the modes of failure we have studied in gravity dam. So in earthen dam, the modes of failure may be different. So that are given here. The various causes of failure of the earthen dam that are classified into three groups. First is hydraulic failure. Second one is seepage failure, and third one is structural failure. These are the three types. Hydraulic failure. See this. This is hydraulic failure, seepage failure, and structural failure. There are three types of failure of the earthen dam. So in gravity dam, we have studied the modes of failure by overturning, sliding, crushing, and tension failure. These failures are different. Failure of the earthen dam that may grouped into these three classes: hydraulic failure, and this seepage failure, and structural failure. These are the three types of the failures. Okay. So what is hydraulic failure? How hydraulic failure occur? First is hydraulic failures. In that hydraulic failure, the failure may occur due to these reasons: by overtopping the dam. First one is overtopping. This one. First one is overtopping. Then erosion of upstream face. Okay. Then cracking due to frost action. Fourth one is erosion of downstream face by gully formation, and erosion of the upstream toe. Erosion of the upstream toe. These are the 5 types of failure. These are called hydraulic failures. Hydraulic failure मध्ये किती reasons आहेत? By overtopping first, then by erosion of upstream face. Third one is cracking due to frost action. Then erosion of downstream face by gully formation. And fifth is erosion of the upstream toe. These are the 5 cases, 5 reasons of failure, hydraulic failure. The hydraulic failures which are according to these 5 reasons. Then the seepage failure. Second type, seepage failure, is due to in that first piping through foundation, then piping through dam body. These are the reasons of seepage failure. And third one is slowing of downstream toe. There are the 3 types: piping through dam body, and piping through foundation, and slowing of the downstream toe. These are the three reasons of seepage failure. समझला seepage failure. Then the structural failures, which are these are occur due to foundation slide. First reason is due to foundation slide. Then second one is slide in embankment. These are the two reasons: slide in embankment and slide in foundation slide. These are the two types of structural failures. These are the three main types of failures: hydraulic failure, seepage failure, and structural failure. The hydraulic failure कैसा होता है? The first case, hydraulic failure. So how hydraulic failures are occur? So this type of failures, hydraulic failures, in this hydraulic failures means due to failure occur due to water pressure. Hydraulics म्हणजे काय? Related to water, study of pressure due to water forces. The failure of the dam may occur due to flow of the water. It may strike to the dam. So water may percolate to the body of the dam. Seepage may occur through the foundation or through the body of the dam. That may lead to the hydraulic failures. Okay. So about 40% of the earthen dam failures have been occurred due to these causes. 40% failures कशामुळे झालेले आहेत? Hydraulic failure मुळे. So remaining 60% failures may occur due to seepage failure. त्यामध्ये काही percentage 20 to 30% may be due to seepage failure, or another 20 to 30% may be due to structural failure. So out of this, 40% of failures may occur due to hydraulic failure. So this type of failures which are classified, which may occur due to following reasons. The first type is by overtopping of the dam. So due to flow of the water when dam is constructed, as in the methods of construction of the dam, due to flow of the water or due to fluctuations of the water level, in case of tides, there may be continuous flow of the river, increase in the water level, or sudden increase in the water level. Water may overtop the dam. पाणी काय होईल त्या डॅमच्या वरनं जाईल. ओव्हरटॉपिंग म्हणजे काय? पाणी काय होणे? पाणी त्या डॅमच्या टॉप वरनं पास होणे. त्याला काय म्हणतात? ओव्हरटॉपिंग. Flowing of the water over the top of the dam due to increase in the water level. Water may overtop the dam if the design flood is underestimated or if the spillway is of insufficient capacity. ओव्हरटॉपिंग कधी होईल? तर डॅम व्यवस्थित डिझाईन केलं नसेल, मॅक्झिमम वॉटर लेवल, हायेस्ट फ्लड लेवल जे आहे ते घेतली नसेल तर, किंवा स्पिलवे कॅपॅसिटी कमी असेल. इफ स्पिलवे इज insufficient capacity, the spillway gates are not properly operated. Gates ज्यावेळेस पाण्याची लेवल वाढते डॅम मध्ये, रिझर्वायर मध्ये, त्यावेळेस ज्यावेळेस पाण्याची लेवल वाढते त्यावेळेस ते गेट्स काय करावे लागतात? ओपन करावे लागतात, जेणेकरून ते पाणी डाउनस्ट्रीम साइडला सोडलं जातं. सो दॅट इट विल रिलीज द प्रेशर ऑन अपस्ट्रीम साइड. So dam should not overtop. If the gates are properly operated, there will not be overtopping the dam. Gates open केले तर काय होईल? पाणी फ्लो होईल डाउनस्ट्रीम साइडला. As per the desired flood may be discharged through the downstream side. So load on the dam may be released. त्यामुळे काय होईल? Overtopping level of the water may decrease. पाणी सोडल्यामुळे डाउनस्ट्रीम साईडला पाण्याची पातळी काय काय होईल, कमी होईल. त्यामुळे काय होईल, तो ओव्हरटॉपिंग होणार नाही. त्यासाठी सफिशियंट प्रीबोर्ड प्रोव्हाइड केलं पाहिजे टू अवॉइड ओव्हरटॉपिंग. ओव्हरटॉपिंग झाल्यामुळे काय होईल, डॅम मे गेट फ्लोट, त्यामुळे पाणी पूर्ण डॅमवर ते स्प्रेड होईल. त्यामुळे सॉइलचं इरोजन होईल. इरोजन झाल्यामुळे ते डॅम फेल होईल. डॅम ते फेल होईल. डॅम मे गेट फेल ड्यू टू सीपेज or due to flow of the water of the dam. आवाज येतोय सर्वांना? Am I audible? स्क्रीन दिसते का? समजलं, hydraulic failure by overtopping is the first case in hydraulic failure. Second type, erosion of upstream face. So erosion of the upstream face. So this is a due to increase in water level, the dam may overtop. Overtopping कसं, overtopping म्हणजे काय समजलं का? See this, if the water level increases, या diagram मध्ये पहा, this is a diaphragm. We're taking one example of the dam diaphragm tap embankment. That water level कुठपर्यंत आहे, या लेवल पर्यंत. Okay, that in certain cases, if this level of water is increased, म्हणजे पाणी सपोज इथपर्यंत आलाय, तर पाणी काय होईल, तो फ्लो होईल इकडे. डॅम मे फ्लो ओव्हर टॉप. It may go to the downstream side and it will completely, this dam will be under this water and it will be flooded and dam may get fail due to overtopping. Overtopping समजलं का? इथून हे पाणी या डॅम वरनं पाणी इकडे जात आहे, ओव्हरटॉप होते. ओके, then second case, erosion of upstream face. How it occur? The waves develop near the top water surface due to the winds try to notch out the soil from upstream face, and sometimes cause the slip of the upstream. Pitching or riprap should therefore be provided to avoid such failure. So due to increase in water level, या डॅम, this is earthen dam embankment. तर यामध्ये but we have taken this example, upstream phase जो आहे, due to flow of the water, the flow of the water from left to right is the direction, is the flow of the water. Flow will be like this. If there are waves, wind action, the wind कसं flow will from left to right. This is the flow of the water. Okay, so due to wind flow, wind flow झाल्यामुळे the level of the water may increase, the water in the reservoir may fluctuate. त्यामुळे काय होईल, the water it may strike to this upstream phase. या upstream phase ला तो ज्यावेळेस जास्त वारा असेल, विंड प्रेशर जास्त असेल, त्यावेळेस तो पाणी काय होईल, पाण्याच्या लाटा त्या डॅमच्या अपस्ट्रीम साईडला काय होतात, आदळतात. तर या अपस्ट्रीम फेसला बघा इथे, त्यासाठी ते स्लोप प्रोटेक्शन प्रोव्हाइड केलंय. रबल स्टोन्स आर प्रोव्हाइडेड ऑन अपस्ट्रीम साइड. there is a continuous strike of the water on upstream phase. त्यासाठी इथे slope protection provide केलेलं आहे. So due to this, what happens? Erosion of the soil. इथे जी soil upstream phase जी soil आहे इथे या phase ला, the upstream phase is downstream. हा जो फेस आहे काय होईल? इरोजन होईल. त्यामुळे इथली माती काय होईल? माती निघून जाईल, सॉइलची झीज होईल, इरोजन होईल. सो ड्यू टू इरोजन व्हॉट हॅपन? त्यामुळे त्याचं लेअर काय होईल? सॉइल लेअर्स मे रिड्यूस. अल्टिमेटली इट लीड्स टू फेल्युअर. सीपेज जास्त होईल किंवा डॅमवर प्रेशर जास्त येईल. इरोजन. त्यासाठी टू अवॉइड दिस इरोजन, त्यासाठी हे स्लोप आवाज येते सर्वांना? स्क्रीन दिसतंय? समजलं सेकंड केस? इरोजन ऑफ अपस्ट्रीम फेस. त्यासाठी रिफ्रॅप और स्लोप पिचिंग इज प्रोवाइडेड ऑन अपस्ट्रीम साइड टू अवॉइड सच फेल्युअर. तर हे फेल्युअर अवॉइड करण्यासाठी काय करायला पाहिजे? अपस्ट्रीम पिचिंग इज प्रोवाइडेड, स्लोप प्रोटेक्शन इज प्रोवाइडेड. Riprap or riprap is a protection. The stones which are laid on upstream portion, upstream side, to avoid such failure. Erosion म्हणून त्यासाठी हे पिचिंग प्रोव्हाइड केलेलं आहे, रिप्रॅप. नेक्स्ट केस, क्रॅकिंग ड्यू टू फ्रॉस्ट ऍक्शन. Frost in the upper portion of the dam may cause heaving and cracking of the soil with dangerous seepage and consequent failure. Frost action or due to freezing of water in case in the winter, त्यामुळे आईस जमा होते. फ्रॉस्ट ऍक्शन. पाणी काय होतं? the temperature in a winter season, the water may get freeze or it forms a frost in the upper portion of the dam. त्यामुळे काय होईल? जसं ते आईस त्यावर जमा होईल, त्या डॅम स्ट्रक्चरवर हिविंग, त्यावर तसं त्यावर लोड वाढत जाणार आहे. लोड वाढल्यामुळे काय होईल? the weight of that frost action, so it may be more. Then soil काय होईल? वेट वाढल्यामुळे, फ्रॉस्ट ऍक्शन झाल्यामुळे soil may get crack. Cracks are developing on the upstream portion of the dam. त्यामुळे काय होईल? सीपेज क्रॅक डेव्हलप झाल्यामुळे त्या क्रॅक मधनं पाणी पास होईल. पाणी पास झाल्यामुळे ते डॅमच्या आतमध्ये, डॅमच्या बॉडीमध्ये किंवा फाउंडेशन मध्ये ते पाणी आतमध्ये सीपेज होईल, पर्कोलेट होईल. पर्कोलेट झाल्यामुळे काय होईल? सॉइल पार्टिकल्स बिकम्स लूज अँड इट मे गेट फेल्युअर ऑफ द डॅम. त्यासाठी काय करायला पाहिजे? टू अवॉइड दिस cracking due to frost action, an additional freeboard allowance up to maximum height 1.5 meters should be provided in areas of low temperature. ज्या ठिकाणी टेम्परेचर कमी आहे त्या ठिकाणी त्या साईटवर 1.5 मीटरचं फ्रीबोर्ड प्रोव्हाइड करायला पाहिजे. अबोव द वॉटर लेवल देयर इज सफिशियंट फ्रीबोर्ड इज प्रोव्हाइड ऑफ height 1.5 meter, so that cracking of the dam should not occur due to frost action. To avoid this failure,